Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the dollar yen, like I've been saying, I still think that we have two options. Option number one is that we're going to make three waves down, which would be a crutch into the last five waves up, and then continue the uptrend. Option number two is this really is the end of a wave five, and this instead is going to go down and make a 3, 4, 5 like that. Notice that it's basically exactly the same pattern until you get to about this point right here. So heading down to the weekly, I have it labeled as an ABC, but it definitely could turn into a 1, 2, 3. It looks to me like this is an A. It looks like a B. It looks like it could be already in a wave C. Heading down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down right here, because this move up that we're seeing definitely could be a crutch into this last move down. If this is the end of a wave B, then this will continue to make lower lows, lower highs like that. So we definitely need to consider that this is very likely going to bounce off a Fibonacci level and continue the downtrend. Now the market flow is up, but we are making higher high, higher low on the daily, so you could be looking for longs on shorter time frames. But while you're looking for longs, you need to be paying very close attention to these fib levels for a possible end of a correction. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we're pushing beyond the 38%, which means it probably will go up to at least the 50 and maybe even beyond. I personally think, like I said, we should probably be looking for longs, at least until we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. It definitely does already have a little bit of a three-wave pullback look, and I do see what looks like five waves right here, so if it does go down and break structure, that could be the end of a correction. But the only thing that's going to prove it to me is seeing a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, and that is what would make me go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I think we need to be looking for longs until we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. So if this goes down and breaks structure to the downside, then I would definitely on pullbacks get very serious about looking for shorts. If it doesn't, if this move down, it only goes to a percentage of this move up and makes like a higher low, especially if it's three waves down, then I would definitely take it as another long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. So pay attention to your fib levels, pay attention to your structure, and you should be trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.